Hello friends, how are you all? Myself Mr. Shivam Dhiman and I am your English teacher. Today's video is for class 8 and in this video I will explain the lesson of English literature whose name is Living with BG. This chapter is a drama and the characters of this drama are BG, Nanda, Vandita. BG is grandmother, Nanda is granddaughter, Vandita is Nanda's friend, and Nanda is living with her grandmother, and her parents are in Dubai because of some official work, and she used to stay with her grandmother. And grandmother pampers her so lot, and the quality of BG are caring, loving, and she is punctual. Nanda is rude and selfish. So, story begins when BG is in her room and Nanda is studying for her talent exam so that she could win a scholarship, and BG is on her armchair and she holds up a shirt of Nanda and she is sewing the two buttons which has been removed from the shirt, but she was unable to put the thread into the needle. So she called Nanda to help her so that she can repair her lucky t-shirt. But Nanda got disturbed by that voice and she just muttered that BG always used to just disturb her, calling Nanda this, Nanda that, and Nanda reluctantly went to the BG and help her to put the thread into the needle, and comes back into her room and asks the audience that how she could prepare for her talent exam if BG again disturb her. Now, scene second. Scene second is when Vandita has come to Nanda's home and they have planned earlier so that Nanda and Vandita could spend time together watching films and enjoying. So Vandita is staying tonight with Nanda, but Nanda has to prepare for her talent exam as well as to do her homework. Vandita do not want to disturb her friend, so she walks away into the BG's room and they have a lot of chat in which BG tell Vandita that she was the only girl friend in the science class and her father was furious and she used to wear the costume like she used to dress up as a boy in her school time. They had a wiggle over their stalks which disturbed Nanda. and she thought that what funny talks they are making. So after having a chat with BG, Vanita again come back to Nanda's room and tell her the whole matter that she had discussed with the BG. That incident of BG's life when she was in the school, she was the only girl child. She was the only girl student in the school, and she was in a classroom where no girl student was present on. She was surrounded by the boys, and her father was furious. She used to dress up as a boy, and after telling this, Vanita laughs. Scene third. Scene third में बीजी's रूम जो है एम्प्टी है, यानी खाली है, और नंदा इज स्लीपिंग इन हर रूम. नंदा अपने कमरे में है. एंड सडनली वंदिता कम्स इनटू हर रूम एंड वेक्स हर, and this she waked Nanda and asked her to get up as soon as she can, because BG has slipped away in the kitchen and her ankle has dislocated. So they had to take BG to the nursing home. This made Nanda very worried and angry for that she couldn't prepare now for her talent exam, and even she says that कि बीजी ने वो काम कर दिया जो वो चाह रही थी, अब मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी. तो नंदा stayed at home, and Vandita and Savitri, who was the maid of Nanda's, take BG to the nursing home so that they could treat the BG with the problem. Okay. Now Nanda misses her grandmother badly, and she missed all the activities, the food, the company of her grandmother, as well as she also misses the hot chocolate that she used to prepare when she felt sleepy. And now in scene 5th, Nanda felt sorry for her behavior, and she prepared dinner, means 2 parathas, vegetables and pineapple juice by herself for apologizing to her grandmother. And now when Savitri and Vandita bring back the BG to the home where she was resting in her room on the bed, and Nanda came to see her and hugged her grandmother, and she also brought the food that she had prepared for her grandmother. She apologized for her behavior, and grandmother was very pleased and was very delighted. She said that who had prepared it while Savitri was in the hospital with me. Nanda told that she only had prepared the meal by herself, and now Nanda bring the food and offer to the grandmother. Savitri, who was with the Savitri, who was with the grandmother and Vandita, and they had brought the grandmother, but she hadn't prepared the dinner. So grandmother said that she will enjoy the meal which was prepared by her granddaughter, and asked them to go down so that they can also have their dinner, which will be prepared by the Savitri, their housemate. And this was the chapter explanation of Living with BG, which is a drama, and this gives us a moral that we should be polite and gentle towards our elders and also our grandparents, because in the absence of our parents, grandparents or Dada and Dadi or either Nana or Nani have also nourished and cared us, but we can't see how much they love us. We just feel that they are the just relation part of our life, but they also shower their blessings, their love, their care when our parents are not together with us. So I hope you must have understood about this chapter. If you have any problem or if you aren't able to understand any line or any topic, you can ask me in the upcoming coming class by Google Meet. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, students.